It's only 5th of October where I released a video about AMD buy trigger and why we should buy on the dip, and now we are seeing a huge reversal trend and a huge momentum going upwards. So in this video today, I want to share 3 key reasons why this is happening on the buy triggers, the valuation, and also the technical stats, where you should be standing and how you should be putting strategies to buy this stock. So personally, during the last video and this video, I've bought 200 additional AMD stocks, which is pushing me to the edge of the 1000 holding, and AMD is currently my biggest holding in my overall portfolio. And I am still very bullish because I see a huge upside. So the 3 key news that you should be watching out for, on which I think the third one is more reliable. The first news is AMD has just released the new chip, which is the Radeon RX 6600 graphics. Incredible 1080p gaming. So new chips coming out, and they're showcasing that they should have more products on the showcase to complement the Christmas sales that's coming up. They've got enough stocks that's running on the run. And the second thing is AMD and Microsoft combining together the Radeon and the Radeon cards on their laptops and devices for the Windows 11 optimization. So this hand-in-hand working will give users an additional experience and very customized benchmark for the computers, laptops themselves. The third key point is the one that's really pushing the stock up on, again, speculation. Remember, Taiwan Semiconductor should be announcing their earnings in the next 24 to 36 hours. And there are rumors and leaks that the TSMC are doing really well, meeting the demand for the likes of Nvidia and AMD and the key players Apple. So this news like this, it shows a forecast future for the AMD earnings if the Taiwan Semiconductor earnings are showcasing that they are meeting the demand. So now on the chart and the technical future forecast valuation. So back on the chart, I showed this back on the 5th of October on my 2 buy trigger points. So if you followed my guidance, and you should be celebrating with nice gains. Buy trigger of around about a 97-98 zone, buy trigger 1, and then the buy trigger 2 when it was about $104-$103 zone. Breakout zone is around about the $120 mark, $118-$120. So if we do see a breakout because of great earnings, it might be positive, but they might also go up, touch the breakout point, and come back down again. So it could go both ways depending on the news of the upcoming earnings. But if it does break the breakout, how far can AMD go? Now on my Fibonacci retracement method, pulling up to the all-time high breakaway, we should be looking at the $135 zone. If they do break up, very bullish, very high momentum, 135 is where we are. Most likely, the breakout is going to be a 50-50 chance. It's not going to be a definite breakout. If they don't break out, they come back down and they'll settle, hover between the 107 to the 115 zone potentially. So we should just play safe and just buy, stick to the buy trigger levels and not go to extreme to buy on the high. The sponsor of this video, which I want to give a shout out, is to eToro, the trading social platform where you can watch one another invest and trade. And eToro not only is commission free, but they also do both cryptos and stocks and ETF like ARK Invest, which has got everything in one platform. So this is short for eToro. Click the link below if you're interested in that platform. That's got everything easy to use, including your mobile phone. So finally, I want to show you my valuation, which I may have shown about 6 to 8 months ago, but I'm going to re-show you the valuation with the new EPS figure update. So I use a method called the Graham's intrinsic calculator, and I've updated the EPS earnings. So the EPS for the last 3 quarters, including the future forecast one, it comes in a total of 2.5. So it's basically me forecasting Q3 and Q4, and also I've accounted for interest rates hike. So I'm very conservative about it. So with a 60% rate, we are looking at intrinsic value of $471 per share as of the future forecast value when we end this year, which is crazy high, which is 4 times of where we are. But let's take a step back and be a bit conservative. Interest rates high and also 50% growth, still 50%, still hyper growth. We are still looking at $397 per share. So I just really want to emphasize that my personal point of view, my personal valuation, I think AMD is really severely undervalued. That's what I'm buying. That's what I'm making my biggest stake holding in my portfolio. Thank you very much for your time again. If you want, you can always join me on my free Discord channel. But if you want to go a step further, always feel free to come and join me on the Patreon to support my YouTube channel. Other than that, thank you very much to you fellow investors and hope to see you soon. and take care.
I hope you enjoyed that video. Check out our website link below.
More videos up here.
Bye.
Bye!